to Maria's house to swim there.
Me too.
And it's going to be so much fun.
Yes.
I don't know what our swim pool looks like, but I'm going to find out.
Yes. You're happy?
Yes.
And thank you for...
Thank you for watching the delicious vlog.
Okay, we'll update you. Please subscribe, guys. Like that, Roxanne.
Please subscribe, guys.
For Genelicious Vlogs.
For the delicious vlogs.
So, we are 3 only. Going to Maria's house
Yes.
to play there.
Yes.
Roxanne, Sophie's eating finger. My friend, the baby's eating finger. Not allowed eating finger.
Eating sugar, no papa. Eating sugar, no papa.
Baby, baby, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Mama.
No,
Sige, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Mahal ko kayo.
Gaya.
Kabayan.
Bye.
Salamat po.
Salamat. Oh.
Tired.
You're tired.